How to activate Wells Fargo credit card without logging into any account. Let's get started. Method 1. Activate by phone. The easiest way to activate your Wells Fargo credit card without logging into an account is by calling your activation number. Here's how you can do it. Dial 1-800-967-9521. Once connected, you will be prompted to enter details for your Wells Fargo credit card. Be ready with the following information: 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code. For security reasons, the automated system will ask you to verify your identity by providing the details such as last 4 digits of a social security number, billing zip code. After entering the necessary details, you will receive a confirmation that your credit card has been successfully activated. Once activated, your Wells Fargo credit card is ready for use immediately for purchases in-store and online. Method 2. Activate in person at Wells Fargo ATM. Locate a Wells Fargo ATM near you by using your ATM locator tool on the Wells Fargo website or mobile app. Insert your new Wells Fargo credit card in the ATM. You will be prompted to enter your PIN, which may have been mailed to you separately, or you can just set one up when you receive the card. The ATM will prompt you to follow a few on-screen instructions to complete the card activation. Once completed, your card will be activated and ready for use. So this way you can easily activate your Wells Fargo credit card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.